Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Judy. Today I am going to tour you around in the Lost Chamber Aquarium. We checked in at Atlantis The Palm, Dubai last December 2017. We were given unlimited access to the aquarium. Maybe that's part of the package. For someone who is not used to seeing enormous aquarium like this one, it was fascinating. It is also very educational for the kids. There are small monitor stationed at every aquarium corner, so the kids can read the information about these aquatic animals. As to the cost and experience, I cannot really rate because of our unlimited access. It was our first time to see a white alligator. It was an amazing sight. The cage was a bit small though for the alligator to roam around. The aquarium has great collection of aquatic animals. The interior design, paintings plus writings on the wall, it really gives the vibe of being in the lost city. There are areas where you can also lounge and enjoy the views. When we went inside, it wasn't crowded, so the place was a bit dim, and my 5-year-old son was scared to roam around alone. At the end of the video, I also shared one of the toilets in Atlantis. I was just simply amazed with the seahorse, the mirrors, tiles, and fixtures being used in that space. It was a beautiful space. I leave you here and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.